biggest good news. Dear students, faculty members, professionals, researchers, and lifelong learners, this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Get ready to master artificial intelligence with 100% free AI online courses and earn internationally recognized certificates to boost your career and stand out in today's competitive world. After receiving hundreds of requests and seeing your trust, interest, and overwhelming support, I am proud to announce the launch of our official online learning platform, Institute of Vocation and Technical Education, IVTE. Through IVTE, we are offering free online learning opportunities for students, faculty, professionals, researchers, and office workers, empowering you to master artificial intelligence and emerging technologies at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. What we offer. At IVTE, we are committed to shaping your future with high-quality, practical, and in-demand AI courses designed for real-world applications. Here's what you'll get access to: artificial intelligence and machine learning, AI for healthcare and medical research, AI for education and teaching faculty, AI tools for business and office productivity, AI for researchers and content creators, executive diplomas and skill-based certifications, and many more exciting courses. And the best part? All our courses are 100% free to learn. If you want to receive an internationally recognized certificate, you can get it by paying just a very nominal fee, boosting your profile, enhancing your career prospects, and gaining global recognition. Course structure and programs. IVTE offers 3 powerful learning tracks designed to suit everyone, from beginners to professionals. 1. Short certificate courses, duration 4 to 12 hours, perfect for students, faculty, professionals, and office workers. Outcome: gain sector-specific practical skills and earn a certificate of completion. 2. Sector-wise AI programs. Duration 6 to 15 hours, focused on professional, industry-ready AI applications. 3. Diploma and executive diploma programs, duration 3 to 6 months, self-paced, for professionals, educators, executives, and students looking for advanced AI mastery. Outcome: master cutting-edge AI applications, lead AI-driven projects, and become a certified expert in your field. Trainer and facilitator. All programs are conducted under the guidance of Ghulam Farooq. Ghulam Farooq is a PhD research scholar in artificial intelligence at Marconi, Italy, and a passionate AI educator and trainer. He is a fellow in AI from BATH University, UK, and holds a diploma in AI machine learning from FEDE, UK. He currently serves as the additional director of AI research and postgraduate affairs at AIMS and is the country representative for the 3D Interactive Human Anatomy and Physiology Platform USA. As an AI educator, trainer, and research consultant, he is dedicated to driving innovation in education, research, and professional development through advanced AI technologies. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Join our official WhatsApp channel today and stay updated about the latest free AI courses, certifications, workshops, and training opportunities. Your future starts now. Let's learn, grow, and lead together. IVTE, empowering minds, transforming careers, and creating AI leaders of tomorrow. For more information and answers to frequently asked questions, join my official WhatsApp channel today to stay updated with the latest courses, certifications, workshops, and learning opportunities. I look forward to welcoming you to our growing community of learners and helping you enhance your skills, boost your career, and achieve your goals through the power of artificial intelligence. Thank you.